So in today's video, I will show you step by step how you can sign up and get accepted into the Shopify affiliate program. So first of all, once we are on Shopify.com, we want to just scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page until we see the option for affiliates, which is situated under this section right here. Click on affiliates and then that will then bring you over to this page. From here we can simply click on apply now. And then once we do that, you will then be brought over to here. So once we are on here, what we can do is click on apply to become an affiliate. As you can see, it takes around 5 minutes to complete. Click on sign up and then you want to accept the Shopify contract terms. So once you've read through all of these, simply go all the way down to the bottom, click on accept. That will then bring you to this page where you can sign up now with an email, or you can choose any of these options right here. But for me, in today's video, I will sign in via email. So once you have entered in all of this information right here, you can click on I accept, and then you can click on I would like to receive partnership news via email if you want to receive those, but if not, leave that blank and then click on get started. Once you do that, you will then get a verification code sent over to your mobile phone, and then once you enter that in, just simply click on verify. So from this page, what you want to do is click on what your primary business model is. So you've got all of these options right here. So are you a creator? Do you do content and reviews? Just read through these and select the one that is most relevant to your business. So for me, I will just select content and reviews, go down to continue, and then which methods do you use to promote? So you can add your website, you can add your social media, mobile app, podcast, email, newsletter, or you can add an offline source. So what we can do, first of all, is you can go ahead and add whatever your website is, for example. So once you've entered in your website, you can click on submit. As you can see, it will have then added it right there, and you can add as many as you want or as many as you prefer. Once you've done that, you can then select continue. From here, as you can see, tell us a little bit about yourself. So I am an individual or I am a company. So in my case, I will just select individual because I am creating, reviews and content online. Account display name, you can select, pretty much whatever you like. And then your country or region, for me, it would be United Kingdom. So you can search for it in this box right here. So United Kingdom. And then you'll need to put in your mailing address. Once you have entered all that information right there, click on submit. And then as you can see, you have selected USD as your preferred currency. This cannot be updated after proceeding. So make sure you select the correct currency on this page right here. And then once you do all that, all you simply need to do is just simply click on submit. And then once you click on submit, that will mean that you're signed up to the Shopify affiliate program.